change.
Yeah. Mhlampe one day guys will find your way together again. I don't know.
No,
but
I saw
the change that I am now seeing in you, I am proud of you.
Why are you
proud? I am proud of the woman that, because I mean, it sounds right because you didn't know your worth. This girl is talking.
Hi bazala bakaMzitho, welcome to Mgosi Nemagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Bazala bakaMzitho, if nganibisele emuva, the reason why I posted that clip. Remember last year on season 2 of Izingane Zesembu, uTirelo once said kuVuyukazi, ngiyayithanda indlela ozithanda ngayo. Ngiyathanda ukuthi now you are choosing yourself. That's the exact words esiphuma emlomeni kaTirelo atshela uVuyukazi. And uVuyukazi said, I appreciate that thing coming from you. But yena uthe so uyakwazi ukuzikhetha. So on yesterday's episode of Izingane Zesembu, or not the yesterday episode, the episode that we will be watching on the next Sunday, even on yesterday's episode, the clip that we should expect next episode of Izingane Zesembu, uTirelo ingane ama-siblings kaMpumlelo did ask uTirelo ukuthi ufila kanjani since uMpumlelo is always trending with different girls, since kunezifo and kunento eningi, ufila kanjani, imphatha kanjani lento leyo. uTirelo wathi yena uphuza amapilisi so that azoziprotecta yena from getting izifo, guys. But one thing, if she is taking a PrEP, one thing, guys, about the PrEP, it doesn't ayikwazi ukuvikela ukuthi ungatholi abo STI. It's only ikuvikela only ukuthi ungatholi HIV. So that means uTirelo uthatha STI is a small thing, or yena ubona ukuthi ngcono ngichubeke ngibe emashidini nalo muntu ongangihloniphi, because uMpumlelo yena doing all these things yena akayibona into wrong and zijabulisa yena. What about uTirelo? Mina at this point I think uTirelo lamagama lawo watshela, or ama-advice she was giving uVuyukazi last season, ama-advice ngabe uzinika yena manje, because they are very important. Just imagine taking a PrEP, and we know that i-PrEP nazo izinto like alikho ipilisi, guys, elingawo ama-side effects. One of the side effects of i-PrEP is i-kidney failure, guys. Just imagine ukuthi when you're taking i-PrEP for umuntu ongakushadanga, for umuntu ongakubeka indawo, umuntu who's not willing ukukushada, nakhona makushada uzokwenza a second option, which is a second wife. I'm not saying ama-second wife are second option, but ngifike kuqala ngokuzalele, and ngokuzalele nalo mngane emfana enithi it's a huge thing kini. So ngikuzalela lo mntana kumele achubekise isibongo, but le ngane lo niyifunayo nithi it is important ukuthi lo mntana umfana azochubeka isibongo. Anifuni ukwenzela kwalela lo mntana enginethelene emhlabeni iqiniso, because I just feel as if aniphakamisele kwabenzela uNzulu iqiniso. Ngoba if the first, mina ngazi ukuthi umntana wonkosikazi oqala uyinkosana, that means if uMpumlelo azothatha another girl ukuthi, or another lady ukuthi azoba unkosikazi wakhe, the first wife, abantwana bazozalwa yiloyo mfazi loyo bazoba yinkosana yakamsele. You understand? So mina ngi-understand ukuthi why uTirelo angagezeki amehlo, but ngeke ngayibukela i-live yakhe. On the live she did state ukuthi yena amthanda uMpumlelo. Yes, umjolo uyamgila, but amthanda uMpumlelo. One thing I know about umjolo, one of the good days uzovuleka amehlo. We just pray ukuthi angavuleka amehlo later, whereby mhlambe she's in her 40s or she's in her 50s, then akasakwazi ukwenza much about the situation. Even if I divorce, it will be very difficult ukuthi aqale impilo kabusha, kanti kungcono aphume manje in her 20s azoqala impilo kabusha. If she wants to get married, uzothola omunye asesenengane one, because you cannot be in a relationship nomuntu ohamba alala nawo wonke lo muntu afuna ukulala naye wena uhleli awucheat, because she even stated she has never cheated on uMpumlelo. When awucheat then uzoguliswa umuntu, that means wena uhleli ulinda ukugula, wena uhleli ulinda ukugula. And into ebuhlungu ama-kidney, uhleli nje awuzazi ama-kidney wakho ahleli kusiphi isimo. What if i-kidney lakho uzoba ne-kidney failure, uzoba nama-kidney what just because of i-PrEP? I-PrEP oyithathela umuntu who's not even providing for ingane yakho, into enhlanganisile ebalulekile emhlabeni futhi engeke izitshintshe, which is ingane le yenu akakwazi ukuyiprovidela uMpumlelo. But when you are taking i-PrEP for loyo muntu loyo who's saying uzokushada ekuhlalisa eMzumbe, and we all know the reason ukuthi uMpumlelo athatha uTirelo makamshada emzini, it's not because ufuna ukuthi ayokhulisa umuzi kaMseleko, it's because ufuna ukuthi ahlele eMzumbe awondle uMseleko, ahlale kaMseleko. Uyazi ukuthi mahlele eMzumbe anyeke abe nama-responsibilities nje at all. Ubaba khe zaba awondla uNzulu. So why I'm saying uNzulu, no, usingabakho notirelo. Utirelo zabe kufana nokuthi one of the wives zakababakhe ngoba izabahleli kababakhe and akunamuzi azowakha. Angithi uzothatha one of the houses since futhi there are allegations that amanye amakhosikazi sewaphumile emzumba or leya ndlu leyana bekalwela nomacele mhlawumbe uzohlala kuleyo ndlu leyo nonkosikazi wakhe. Already indlu seyakhiwe, it's just renovations. And remember utirelo naye uyafunda. Obvious utirelo a lot of the things. Utirelo will be umakhumalo waka Mpumelelo, let's just be honest. Or she is umakhumalo waka Mpumelelo because unokuhlala 3 months uMpumelelo angawondli ingane, unokuhlala uMpumelelo angabamba ama-calls. Kusho ukuthi lo mjolo it's all around uMpumelelo or revolve around the happiness kaMpumelelo. But bazalwane mziso, please do comment down below your thoughts and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ganentreg.